Hello folks, the elephant in the room today is mighty America scared to mix it up with an Islamist mouse. Does anybody believe we couldn't blaze a trail from Baghdad to Damascus, leaving nothing but dead terrorist bodies all the way? To do that to ISIL, we're going to need to return hundreds, maybe thousands of them to their component molecules. The reflagging of Task Force Black is an excellent step in that direction. Those guys did exactly that to all kinds of Al-Qaeda wankers back during the Iraq War, and they should be given a hunting license for anywhere ISIL's flying that black flag. We can even repurpose that famous Mencken quote. Every normal man must be tempted at times to haul down the black flag and obliterate the scum who are slitting innocent throats.